5, 6, 7, and an 8. I'm Jen, and welcome to my studio, and today we're going to be doing a technique exercise that is intermediate level. It's just paradiddles and shuffle step heels and 5-count riffs and heel-toe crawls. So it could be done at really any level if you know all of those steps. You just got to change the tempo. The tempo we're going to be using today is a very intermediate tempo, but it can go much faster to make it advanced, and it can go way slower to make it beginner. However you want to use it is up to you. So we're going to go ahead and get started. But first, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, don't forget to subscribe while you're here. Important things. Okay, anyway, so it starts with, it's a short combination, so we're just going to have a little bit of fun with each other today. 2 paradiddles. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So nice, simple 2 paradiddles. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then you have 2 double paradiddles. Double paradiddle, double paradiddle. So to do that double paradiddle, if you've never done one before, it's dig spank, and then step heel. So you just add an extra dig spank before you do the paradiddle. So you have 2 singles, 2 doubles. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2. 2 singles, 2 doubles. Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2. Then you have a 7-count riff and make it nice and even. Oh, sorry, it is a 5-count riff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to take this 5-count riff. I know we're used to doing it on a 1 and 2 and 4 and breaking up that last heel toe, but we're not doing that. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Da, 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 da. So you really want to watch that heel, that standing heel, and then time your dig and your toe to match the rhythm. So everything should sound pretty even and very similar. Right? If you weren't watching and you didn't know what I was doing, it could sound like I'm just like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. It's so even. So let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, let's go a little bit slower. I realize my tempo is a bit much. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. You finish it off with heel, heel, toe, toe. And 6 and 7. So you have and 6 and 7. And then you're going to hold 8. Hi, sweetie. Sayuri's been a lot today. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Again, everything is super even. So you need to go out, baby. Here you go. Don't dawdle. Come on. Okay. Sorry, happens. All right, so let's go a little slower. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Hold 8. Good, let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Hold 8. Good. Let's try it on the left foot. Everything's the same. You just start with the left foot. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and double, double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Heel, heel, toe, toe. So now your left foot is doing the riff. Then it's heel, heel, toe, toe, starting with the right foot. Okay, let's try it on the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Hold 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2. Good. Now we're going to take it up to one more level. Instead of paradiddles, we're doing shufflediddles and shuffles. So that's how the beginning goes. So it's going to go shuffle, step, heel, shuffle, step, heel. So 2 right and then left with just 1 shuffle. Shuffle, step, heel, shuffle, step. Then you have 2 shuffles in the step heel, 2 shuffles in the step heel. So it'll go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2. All right, let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2. Then you finish it off exactly the same way. 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. And then you'll start on the left. So let's try it on the left. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. I gotta let the baby back in. Come on. You don't want to come in? Come on. Good girl. What a crazy girl. All right, so let's try the shuffle version, right and then left. Did you guys hear how loud it is outside? Like that door is working hard to keep that sound out. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Hold 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2. So that's right and then left. So let me make sure my computer stays away. Thank you. Now let's try the whole thing. From paradiddles to shufflediddles. And then I have a song for us to do it too. So let's pick up the tempo just a little bit. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Okay? 5, 6, paradiddle. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. Shuffle. Left side. Not bad. All right, and that's how it goes. So let's try it a couple times to a song. This song is called Oh My, and it's from YouTube's audio library. I'm saying it just in case I forget to put it in the description because I've been doing that. Because from from audio library, it doesn't really like tell you. All right, ready? Let's try it. Let's try it again. This time, now that we know the tempo's a little higher, it's all right, remain calm. The speed doesn't change the step. When we panic, it totally changes the step, but the speed does not. Just get the tempo in your head. Ready? I'm gonna give it one more set, so that it lines up better and you get the song in your head. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. good measure and just for funsies. Let's do it one more time. And then we learned a really, really short yet very, very nice technique combination. The faster you take it, the cooler it is for your advanced classes. Like try that with your advanced classes if you teach. So fun. All right, let's do it. Intermediate tempo, not that fast. One last time. Ready? Well, I hope you had a blast learning this technique exercise with me. Don't forget, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We've got technique exercises like this, step tutorials, choreography tutorials of all levels, and more, including vlogs, challenges, you name it. It's free tap dance classes, so please subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Also, hit that thumbs up. Yeah, hit that thumbs up so that it helps other tap dancers find this channel, which just spreads the free tap dance classes. How cool is that? All right, so thank you so much for being with me today. I had a blast, and as always, thank you for dancing with me.